Hello everyone, you're looking at a 2014 Ford F-550. It's been Florida owned all its life. It's 4x4, power stroke 6.7 diesel. Has a air compressor, as you see here. See the interior's in good shape. Has a PTO for the crane. If you look underneath, guys, check that out. Has a toolbox here in one of the doors. Also has another toolbox here. These could be taken out as well if you don't want them in here. See the condition inside, guys. You don't have to worry about those trucks from up north with all that rust. Check this out, guys. Really good shape. Has a vice strip in the back. See that there. See the back. Very good condition. This is where the remote is. Pendant, as they call it. The air compressor hose for the outriggers. Oh, tires are in good shape. As you see there, they're all pretty much the same all around like that. I'll show you the front ones once I get there. See the boxes. See here for your tanks. Looks like it has some power source. I guess they had something here before. So if you guys wanted to add something there. Has a space here for the welder. Put your welder on there. Here's the other side of the interior. Check out the tire, guys. But overall, good condition.